To give you a demo of how you can do this claiming process by yourself. So search for your market name, your business name on Google. You will get results like this. Just go and just let's see. I don't own any of this business here. So if I am going to claim this now, obviously I cannot claim, but I am going to show you the process so that you can do it yourself. Okay, if you scroll down, there is a for this Verti Matre, there is a link on this business. You have to click on this own this business on your store of business. You will get to see this screen. This is the verification process. Okay, this is the verification process. Select a way to get verified. Okay, business video, record a video of your business. Obviously you have to be present in that physical location and you have to record a video and you have to send it to them. So okay, so show your location, equipment and proof of management. Your video is only used for verification and won't be shared publicly. So this is the verification. You have to shoot a video from inside of the store. Okay, I'm going to click on next. So this is what you have to do. Show surrounding areas such as street signs or neighboring businesses. Show business name printed on permanent fixtures such as signboard. Obviously you have to go outside the business and just take a video of your business name. That is what they are asking. Alright, click on next. Then you have to click on start recording. Okay, so obviously you have to do it using your phone. So this is the way that you can get verified. When I did this verification, actually I have signed up for a professional email like support@hkmarketnola.com, and I claimed the profile first email, and then I went ahead and verified using the phone. Okay, that's the process we have done. Obviously the process is different for each and every store, depends on how old it is or how new it is. So you have to follow this process and get it verified. Once you get it verified, you will get entire profile management. You can do it from your side. So this is how you have to do the verification. You have to click the next and click next and then click on start recording and record a video and submit for review, and it will take 5 to 10 days for the review process to complete, and then you will get an email stating that you have been granted access to that profile. So that's how simple it is. Once you have access to the profile, you can add or remove people. So your profile strength should actually will be bad right now if you have not claimed it, and it will go from bad to good once you starts managing this profile by putting up-to-date information, and then you can add or remove people. So in business profile settings, if you can see, you can add or remove people. So once you complete this process, you could able to get all those advantages of Google My Business Profile, and you can tremendously increase the number of people walking in the store, and the branding of your store online will tremendously improve. So the lot of advantages are there if you do this process and complete it and claim it. If you have any trouble in this process, you can book a call with me, and I am here to help you on a voice call, on a video Zoom call. You can find my information on my website jagankrishna.com, and you can book a call with me. On a discovery call, I will help you with claiming your business profile in the right way. All right. So this is Jagan Krish. I help independent grocers and supermarkets to increase customer walk-ins and brand loyalty by bridging technology and marketing. So that's the work I do right now. So you can know more about me on my website jagankrishna.com.